Everything I say is right. Everything I say is true, even if I contradict myself, and you should follow me. This is the typical cry of a narcissist. What if we could actually learn something from the narcissist? What if we could embody a little bit of the narcissist to make that work for us? Here's what I see. The narcissist is really good about believing in themselves. They're really good about feeling very confident in who they are and what they're doing, and they just move forward with action. And this is what we need. Most of us have this doubt that keeps weighing us down and stopping us from taking action, but the narcissist doesn't. And so this is part of why we see so many successful narcissists. Letting yourself drop into a little more confidence in who you are, how you show up in the world, embracing a little bit more of your inner narcissist, stand in your power, have bulletproof belief in who you are so that you can become a badass in business.